Jagdish from Electro. In this video, this is the Python lesson 6 in our playlist. And today we will learn about list. And we will learn about what is list, how it's being used in Python. And don't skip the full video so you can with what is actually a list. A list is like a container that holds multiple items like a shopping list. Instead of having a separate variable for every fruit you buy, you can just keep them all together in one list. For example, let's put a variable called fruits and we store inside some fruit names like apple, banana, and cherry. We use brackets to indicate a set in fruits variable. And we use quotes because we are printing putting the text inside the quotes, and we use comma to separate the um fruit. Now let's put print fruit, and now let's run this, and you can see apple, banana, cherry, which is stored in the string value variable called fruit. And the next part is accessing list items. Python uses indexing to access item. Indexing starts at 0, so the first item is at position 0. So let's put brackets and 0. As I said, it will start at first number, so apple is the first. Now it want to print apple. Yes, it prints apple. 1 prints banana and 2 prints cherry. And here's a fun fact. You can also use negative indexing to access items from the end of the list. So let's put -1. -1, so it will print cherry. Yes, -2 is banana. And -3 is apple. So let's go on to the next. Find items. You can change an item in a list by directly accessing its index. So let's use fruits. 1 is mango, like this. Now let's print fruits. And instead of 1, it will print mango. So banana it replaces banana with mango. So let's write this. As you can see, apple, mango, and cherry. And this also works by using negative numbers like -1, -2, or -3, or many more. This is helpful when you want to update values without creating a new list. Now let's go on adding item to a list. You can add an item using append, add to the end, or insert to place it in specific position. Let's go on to the next list. Adding item to a list. You can add item using append to add to the end, or insert to place it at a specific position. Let's use append first. So let's add fruits.append and orange. It won't add it in the end. Now let's run this. We can see it showed me apple, banana, cherry, and orange at the end. Let's use insert, and instead of using append, add insert, and we use a specific point. Let's use some specific point like 2, and it will add the orange in the 2 like this. 2. Oh, we don't need brackets for this. And this is the index, and this is the object. And now let's run this. Apple, banana, orange, cherry, and the orange will store in the 2 of the index. Um, and you can also use negative index like -1, which will also print like this orange -1. Mm, what if I add -0? See here, let's show you orange here like this. If you are using positive number in the index position, it will start from the first element to the last element. If you are using negative number, it will start from the last element to the first element. Now we learned about adding items into the list. Now let's remove items from the list. To remove item, we use remove or pop. Remove deletes by value, pop removes by index. Let's use remove first. Let's put remove fruits dot remove and which we want to remove. I want to remove banana, banana, and let's run this. See here, apple and cherry. It removes banana because we are using fruits remove banana, and it will remove from the variable in the string. And now let's use pop. For the pop, let's use last. So let's use last item because last item fruit pop and print fruits and pop removes the last item it is in the list. Now let's run this file. And here it removes cherry because it's the last item in there. And now let's go on length of a list. Want to count how many items are in your list? We use the length function for it. So let's put print len function. So print len fruits. And now let's run this. And it will show me 3 as expected. And let's use some more numbers like mango. And let's see, does it work or not. Okay, now let's run. Now let's run. See here, it shows me 4 because there are 4 numbers in the fruit string variable. And let's go on sorting and reversing. You can sort a list alphabetically or numerically using sort function. So let's put fruit. Fruit sort means it will sort the fruit value variable and print fruits. Now let's run this. As you can see, it shows the sort function. You can also reverse by using reverse function. So let's put reverse. Let's see what it happens. Mango, cherry, banana, apple, and it reverses the list. Let's go to looping through a list. Let's loop through each item and print it. For this, let's use for fruit in fruit and print fruit. Now let's run this. And it shows like this because because we are using looping through a list. So now you can also loop through indexes using range and length. For an example, let's put for I in range alien fruits. Let's run this. Oh, I need to add fruits and run this. See here, we showed me apple, banana, cherry as expected. Now, let's go to mixing data. Lists can hold different data types too, so it's best to keep them considered. So let's put this to the code mixed equals to apple 5 true. Print mixed. Now let's run this. It will show this because we are printing numbers. Now let's see what if we print fruits. As you can see, it's so normal because the mix does not do anything to the fruits. Now here's a mini challenge. Create a list of 10 numbers and print only the even numbers. For this, let's use a variable called numbers. Let's put number equal to these numbers and put and add this for number in numbers. If number is this number, 2 is equal to 0, print numbers. Means if it sees any tables from 2, it will print that. So let's see. 4, 10, 16, 22, and 28. What if I add 3? 3. There are no table in the number list. So let's put 4 and let's see. And there are some tables in the list, so it's pretty. And this is the end. As for today, we cover about what is list, how to add or separate item from the list, accessing list item, modifying items, sorting and reversing, length of the list, looping through a list, and mixing data type.
You like my video, like and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon button so you can receive my future videos in Python, and check out my Python and Arduino stuff I made in my video. So thank you.